Lot number 2390A, 2005 Skidoo Highmark 1000 SDI Summit. It's got 2,541 original miles on it. Boondocker control box. Let's see, open the panel. It's got an aftermarket thing exhaust. Nitrous air injection. It does run, it does drive, but it's got major left-hand front end damage. Guy hit a tree. So the chassis and the bulkhead on this machine is toast. Anyways, we're tearing this machine down into parts. If you want to buy parts off this machine, give us a call at 218-844-4968. or martosmotorsports.com is our website. I'll start it up here. It does also have reverse, and that also does work. Okay, it's kind of a tank to pull over. It's also got a 162-inch rear track and suspension. Again, we're tearing this machine down into parts. If you need parts for a machine like this, give us a call. 218-844-4968. All the parts will also be listed on eBay. Thanks for stopping by.